In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage permissions on a Monday.com board. If you need to control who can see your board, who can make changes, or who should no longer have access, this process is straightforward once you know where to look. Managing permissions carefully is important because it helps protect your work, keeps your team organized, and makes sure the right people have the right level of access. To begin, open the Monday.com board that you want to manage. Make sure you are on the exact board where you want to update permissions, since access settings are handled at the board level. It's always a good idea to quickly confirm you're in the right workspace and viewing the correct board before making any changes. Once the board is open, look for the board menu or the share button. Depending on your layout or account view, the option may appear slightly differently, but it will lead you to the sharing and access controls for that board. Click it to continue. From there, open the board permissions or access settings. This is where you'll be able to review who currently has access and what they're allowed to do. Take a moment here to read through the list carefully. You want to understand not only who is on the board, but also the level of control each person has. Next, review who can view or edit the board. Some users may only need to see updates, while others may need full editing access to manage tasks, statuses, or timelines. This part is especially useful if multiple people are collaborating and you want to avoid accidental changes. Now, update each user as needed. Change their role to viewer, editor, owner, or admin based on what they actually need to do. In general, give the lowest level of access necessary so the board stays secure and organized. For example, someone who only needs visibility should remain a viewer, while someone actively managing work may need editor access. After that, remove any users who should no longer have access. This is an important cleanup step, especially if roles have changed or a person no longer needs to be involved with the board. Finally, save your changes and confirm that the permissions are correct. Double check the final access list before leaving the settings. That last review helps prevent mistakes and ensures your board is shared exactly the way you want. And that's how to manage permissions on a Monday.com board clearly and safely.